My beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Okay, yeah, I'm in the kitchen making some breakfast, but can't even show no what I do right now because I'm on such a haste because your girl wake up late this morning. I may have a client coming like half an hour because you know why? When I'm sleep, I dream say me I argue and I fight me in my sleep. So when I'm asleep, I work up my body, so I wake up tired and I wake up late. So now I feel hurry up before my client come and I make something to eat because I actually wake up all hungry, you know. That means they arguing and fighting a good feel, right? Even though I'm asleep and it still tired me out and stress me out. So I just there try to hurry up and make something to eat, you know. Then days there. So hopefully I'm finishing time. So I check back in with you guys, alright? So yes guys, client here, but I actually get something to eat even though she come. Yes, my belly is happy. Happy.
I want to sing so.
Me? Say I Brennan.
Aye.
Come in the light, madam say.
How that?
This is Veronica, one of my loyal customers. Say hi.
Hi. Hello, hi.
I'm about to do her here now, guys. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? It's another day. I did not film anymore for the rest of the day yesterday. So I'm actually back today now. Yeah, I'm actually going to the market and supermarket right now. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. The sun are big. Even though it has some rain cloud, but the sun's still like hot, so the heat and everything is really hot. So check up being back with you guys later.
So hopefully you'll find $100. That is it?
Yeah.
Hopefully me find $100.
Hopefully we find parking around the market. Sun hot body now.
This is
Yeah, this look nice. I'm gonna buy this local. Yeah. Eh? Run this song. Think about them look nice. Yeah.
Come. Right now.
Guys, just coming from the market and trust me, the heat, it's crazy. Jamaica eat crazy right now. And we have rain for a couple of days well, and now the sun come back out and trust me, hot. I tried to video as much as I could in the market, but with the heat and the bag and stopping, I couldn't do much vlogging, so I'll check back in with you guys. I actually stop by in the car so I get something to eat. They got cool and what, banana there, something like that. Or if I people there, that's not what I'm watching.
His daddy keeps on the phones in between his positions of son on the shoulder. It's between Manzek and himself and the government press of value or what's really in their position. It's a good, it's clever and done in the position that he's taking up because it's falling up in college.
guys, I'm actually reach home now. Lord, I'm glad for come out of the sun. The heat is wicked. Whenever it come to summer in Jamaica, the time always hot, extra hot. We had rain for a few days, and it was good because it actually cooled down the place. But now the rain stopped and it's bare sun and heat. So I'm just glad to reach home back, you know. I tried to vlog, but it wasn't as much successful as I hoped to show you guys more of Spanish Town Market. Yes, that's Spanish Town Market that I was in. And I didn't even vlog when I was at the supermarket because I just was hurrying up. I just wanted to reach home back because I was tired and I was hot and sweaty, you know. So I'm just glad to reach home right now. Can go under the fan a little, although it's not much better, but glad to reach home. So yes guys, I will talk to you on my next video, and thank you guys for stopping by, and all who recently subscribed, thank you guys, and I hope more of you guys will subscribe, watch my videos, and like and comment, 'cause I like hearing from you guys. So thanks for watching, and bye.